Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Story. Today, Mark and I are at the Tech Museum in San Francisco. We see amazing things. We meet a giant robot, look at a huge rocket, and travel to space in VR. Let's watch the story and learn new technology words together. Mark, look, we are here.
Yes, this is the Tech Museum.
It is so big.
I am very excited.
Me too. I love technology.
Do you have the tickets?
Yes, I have them here, in my bag.
Great, let's go inside.
Hello. Welcome to the Tech Museum.
Hello, here are our tickets.
Thank you. Enjoy your visit.
Excuse me, what is on the first floor?
Robots, computers, and a big rocket.
Oh, a real rocket?
Yes, a real rocket model.
That sounds amazing.
Where do we start?
Start with the robot hall. It is very popular.
Great idea. Let's go to the robot hall.
Yes, let's go. Mark, look at this robot.
Wow, it is very tall.
It looks like a person.
Yes, it is called a humanoid robot.
Humanoid. That is a new word.
It means the robot looks like a human.
I understand. Human, humanoid.
Can it walk?
I think so. Look at its legs.
That is incredible.
Technology is amazing.
Yes, I want to learn more.
Oh, look at this little robot dog.
It is so cute.
It looks like a real dog.
But it is made of metal.
And plastic, I think.
Yes, look, it has 4 legs.
Just like a real dog.
Its name is Robo.
Haha, that is a funny name.
Simple and easy to remember.
I like small robots.
Me too. They are very interesting.
This is a touchscreen wall.
It is huge.
I can touch it and things move.
Really? Touch it again.
Look, this is Mars.
The red planet.
And this is Earth.
Our planet. It is blue.
Yes, Earth is mostly water.
Touch the sun. What happens?
Oh, it gets bigger on the screen.
This is so much fun.
Mark, this is the rocket room.
This rocket is enormous.
It goes all the way to the ceiling.
Look at the name, Space Explorer.
That is a good name for a rocket.
Do real people go inside it?
No, this is just a model.
A model is a copy, right?
Yes, a copy, not the real thing.
But it looks very real.
I know, let me take a photo.
Stand next to it. I want one too.
Wow, look at this old computer.
It is very big and heavy.
Computers were very different before.
Now, computers are small and thin.
Like a tablet or a laptop.
My laptop is very light.
This old computer must be very heavy.
I think it weighs many kilos.
Technology changes so fast.
Yes. Every year, something new comes out.
It is hard to keep up.
But very interesting to learn about.
Mark, try the VR headset.
Okay, I am putting it on now.
What do you see?
Oh, I am in space.
Really? That sounds amazing.
I can see stars everywhere.
Can you see the Earth?
Yes, it looks very small from here.
I want to try it next.
You should. It feels very real.
Is it scary?
No, it is wonderful.
This is incredible.
What do you see?
I am on another planet.
Which planet?
I think it is Jupiter.
Jupiter is very big.
Yes, everything is so large here.
Are there clouds?
Yes, big orange and brown clouds.
That is Jupiter. It has giant storms.
I feel like an astronaut.
You look like one too.
Excuse me, I cannot find my friend.
Oh no, what is your friend's name?
His name is Mark.
What does he look like?
He is tall. He wears a gray jacket.
When did you see him last?
About 10 minutes ago, at the VR station.
Okay, let me check.
He has a phone. I sent him a message.
Don't worry, the museum is not so big.
Thank you. I will wait here.
We will find him quickly.
Mark, there you are.
Emma, I am so sorry.
I was worried about you.
I came to the gift shop.
Without telling me?
I forgot. I am really sorry.
It is okay. I am happy you are safe.
Look what I found.
What is it?
A little robot toy, a souvenir.
Oh, that is so cute.
I got one for you too. What a great day.
Yes, I loved the museum.
My favorite part was the rocket room.
My favorite was the VR headset.
You looked like a real astronaut.
Haha, I felt like one.
What did you learn today?
I learned many new words.
Like robot, touchscreen, and VR.
Yes, and humanoid.
Technology is wonderful.
Yes, let's come back again someday. Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.